Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys an indicator strategy that you can use to catch spike. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, I'll just go straight to how this indicator work. Alright, so here is how you are to use these powerful indicators. Alright, so this is the MACD indicator, one of the most powerful indicators. Now, first of all, for the first condition, you are going to allow this red and blue to get to the 15 level, which is your oversold level, right? So once it gets to the oversold level, all right, that is the first condition, right? So the next thing you have to wait for is a spike. All right, once the spike happen and you see the red start crossing the blue, all right, that is an indication that price is about to reverse and start going to the upside, right? So now you have to hold until you see that spike has broken through this red moving average, all right, which is your 35 moving average on the main chart, right? You need to see that spike has broken above it, right, which is showing you that now this moving average here is serving as a support and resistance. All right, so price breaking above it now, it's trying to tell you that yes, price has broken through the support and resistance zone and it will come back to retest it, and after that retest the next thing is to start going up, right? So now if you see that, then that is when you have to take entry, right? So you have to just wait for the spike to happen. Once it breaks through, break above the moving average, immediately you have to take your entry. All right, that spike that broke through it, that is the one that you have to take your entry from, and your stop loss is to go below that spike, right? So now that is your entry and your stop loss, right? Now for the TP area, you are going to use the indicator. So whenever you see that the red has gotten to the 85, right, showing you that price has gotten to the overbought level, that's when you are to exit the market, right? You don't need to be greedy, just take a few bucks and then you are out, right? Even if it continue going up, it's not your business anymore. You have taken what's yours, so now you leave the rest for the market, right? And then you look for another opportunity, right? You look for another opportunity. So here again you can see that it got here, there was a crossing, and then you take your entry from this place, right? Then this is a losing trade. All right, you know, not all strategy are 100%, but it will win most of the time, right? I'll show you that. That is a losing trade. Now here is another opportunity, but there was no crossing. So now here is another opportunity right here. You can see it got here, showing you that price has gotten to the oversold level. There was a little spike, it did not break through the red moving average, it went down again, and then this one right here broke. You take your entry, stop loss below this, and then you hold. You can see there was another spike to the upside. It will show you here on the indicator window that yes, price has gotten to the overbought level and you are to exit, right? So you can see how simple this strategy is. All right, this is how simple the strategy is. I don't need to explain more further, and you can just stick to only this. You can just trade the boom and crash based on only this indicator setup and you are good to go, right? This is a very powerful strategy. So that is pretty much everything on this one. So before I forget, let me quickly share with you guys the setup for this powerful. So you have to click on this N icon right here. After clicking on the N icon, our first indicator here is the moving average, right? This one, you have to click on it. The setting here is the moving average 200. Moving average 200. The period is 200. Shift 0. Method simple. Apply to close. Under this style we have 4 pixels. The color is blue, right? After that you click on done. Then we have the second moving average here, which is the moving average 35, the red one you are seeing on the main chart, right? So this are the setting 35. Shift 0. Method simple. The apply to close. Under this style we have 3 pixels. The color is red. After that you click on done. Then on your indicator window 1, all right, so before you just search for the MACD, you click on this icon and search for MACD, right? After searching for the MACD, these are the parameters, right? It will be hard for me to pronounce all this, so you have to just copy everything here you are seeing, everything you are seeing here on the screen. Just copy everything, or you note it down somewhere, and then you make sure you do it the same way. After that, you click on done, and then for you to add the stochastic oscillator, you need to click on this icon, not the first one anymore, right? So you click and you search for stochastic, right? So these are the parameters. These are the parameters you need for them, right? So make sure you copy everything the same way you are seeing it here, right? And these are the levels. The level here is 15 and 85. Let me click on it so that you see. So this is how I set it up: 15 and 85. The pixel is 2, and I make the color black because I'm using a white background. So if you're using any color, any other color background, you can change the color and make sure the color is reflecting on your chart, right? So after that, you click on done. Then our last indicator here is the moving average, which is this one right here. You have to click on this icon here before you add that also. So here are the parameters, right? So you just make sure you set everything same way as seeing it here on the screen, right? So after that, you click on done. Then you are going to have something like this on your chart, right? You're going to have a screen like this, right? The money making screen. So that is pretty much everything for this one. So if you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, here on my channel I post powerful indicators that will help you grow your small account, and I sometimes do price action analysis so that you have a better understanding of what the market is doing. So if that is what interests you, then you have to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post something good, you'll be the first to get notified. So that is pretty much everything, guys. Thank you. See you out.